Hello everybody, and welcome to our new video. I know some of you love using Mail Studio while streaming on multiple platforms or a single platform, and I know that you have a custom singer intermission, animated intermission that you want to use on Mail Studio, just like in Streamelements and Streamlabs. So bear with me. I got a workaround that I kind of found out how to use it, so let me tell you how to do it, and let's go. So as you can see here, that we have our layers from, let's see, the live scene that I'm pulling out right here and right now. So I actually, what I did, I put or added a media source since the transition is animated. So I added the layer that it's media source. I picked it up. After adding the animated custom Stinger transition, you can actually play with the opacity. You can actually also uh, uh, just turn off the loop option over here. Also, just switch on play when the layer becomes visible. So whenever you switch from scene to another, yeah, you put, as I said before, you put the custom stinger animated stinger on the top of all layers. So whenever you switch from scene to scene, you can actually it starts as soon as you switch from one scene to another. Also play, if you like, with the speed of the stinger as you like, because it differs. And that's all, simply. So I can go now from live scene to intermission scene. This is my intermission scene. As you can see, that the custom stinger, the custom animated stinger just appeared. I go back to live scene. This is the custom stinger, and that's all, man. It's as simple as that. So, uh, feel free to comment, like, share the video if you'd like to have any questions. Just simply ask in the comments. If you want to contact me on Discord, I'm available almost 24/7. But as soon as I get your message, you can type simply in my Discord server. This is actually my Discord server over here. There's also Ulubirdie's chat. You can just mention me. This is me, Ulu Alazm, ULUALAZM. And whenever I just find out that there's a message, I can just simply respond, or one of my moderators can answer your questions. And till the next video, peace out, guys.